6 new adjustments are arriving for Social Security recipients. And these shifts are so significant, they could determine whether your financial situation improves or declines. Look at this. Big changes are coming to Social Security in the year ahead, impacting everything from the size of your benefit check to your full retirement age. Here's what you need to know. Remember, this influences both your current finances and your future stability. If you receive Social Security, SSI, or SSDI, then this message matters greatly for you. Stay with us until the end. Before we dive in, I'd really appreciate one quick favor. Just tap that like button on this video. Now, without further delay, let's begin. We'll start with a breakdown of 6 critical changes arriving for millions of Social Security recipients. These details are essential because, as I mentioned, they could strengthen your financial outlook, but ignoring them could damage it too. Look at this. In January 2026, several changes to Social Security will take effect, impacting everything from credits and taxes to benefit checks and full retirement age, FRA rules. Knowing about these updates ahead of time can help you be prepared for the year ahead and adjust your plans to make sure you collect the maximum benefit. Understanding these updates now allows you to prepare for the year ahead and adjust your strategy so you secure the maximum payout. Some recipients will see their benefits grow, while others may face reductions. It's surprising, but this is how the Social Security system operates. For many Americans, these benefits are not just numbers on a page. They represent food on the table, medication, rent, and the ability to live with dignity. Missing out on even a small adjustment could mean the difference between staying afloat and falling behind. Before the first and most important change, here's what Senator Bernie Sanders recently stated about increasing and protecting Social Security. Look at this.
This legislation would reverse all of the cuts that the Trump administration has made to the Social Security Administration. It would prevent the Trump people from shutting down Social Security field offices in America. It would make it easier, not harder, for seniors and people with disabilities to receive the benefits they have earned over the phone. And let me tell you something. Each and every year, some 30,000 people with disabilities die. They die while waiting for their Social Security benefits to be approved. And Trump's cuts will make this terrible situation even worse.
That statement is not just political talk. It's a lifeline for millions of families. 30,000 deaths every year while waiting for Social Security approval. Imagine waiting months, sometimes years, for benefits you've earned your whole life, only to never see a single check. It's heartbreaking. Families lose loved ones while mountains of paperwork sit on government desks. Besides that bill, Sanders has also introduced the Social Security Expansion Act. This would raise payments by $2,400 per year, equal to a $200 increase monthly, for all Social Security, SSI, and SSDI recipients. If you support it, comment below saying, "I support Social Security increase." Remember, if we don't act, nothing changes. Now, on to the 6 changes. First change, COLA 2026. The cost of living adjustment, COLA, for 2026 is projected to be low. This isn't good news. Many experts predicted a larger increase due to inflation, but the July forecast stands at only 2.7%. The reason? The CPIW, the index used to calculate COLA, measures inflation on paper but doesn't always reflect seniors' real expenses. Think about it. While the government looks at broad categories of prices, seniors know the truth. Grocery bills are skyrocketing, electricity bills climb every summer, prescription drugs cost hundreds of dollars, and housing never seems to stop rising. So when the official COLA says 2.7%, it might feel more like 0% in your wallet. Lawmakers are pushing for CPIE, a different index that considers seniors' true costs like housing, utilities, prescriptions, and groceries. Switching could mean an extra $500 to $900 annually in Social Security, SSI, SSDI, VA, and railroad retirement benefits. Look at this. A small change in the formula could literally put hundreds more in your pocket every year. But without pressure, the system won't budge. That's why it's important we stay informed and vocal. Second change: full retirement age, FRA. The full retirement age, FRA, rises in 2026. For those born in 1960 or later, FRA will officially reach 67, marking the conclusion of a 40-year increase in retirement age. This means if you were hoping to retire at 66, you'll have to wait another year, or accept a permanently reduced monthly benefit. Watch this. If you claim early at 62, your check could shrink by 25% to 30%. That's not a temporary cut. That reduction lasts for the rest of your life. For hardworking Americans who've paid into the system for decades, this feels like the rules are being rewritten at the last minute. Many are asking, why should we work longer while billionaires pay less into the system? Third change: Social Security tax limit. The Social Security tax limit increases. In 2026, it climbs to $176,100, meaning an annual tax burden of $11,383, translating into about $465 more. While this only affects higher earners, it's important to understand the shift. Why does it matter for everyone else? Because Social Security is funded by payroll taxes. When the cap rises, more money flows into the system. Ideally, this strengthens the trust fund. But watch now. Unless Congress changes how funds are used, these extra dollars may not be enough to secure the program long-term. Fourth change: the earnings test. The earnings test is revised. Starting in 2026, beneficiaries can earn more while collecting benefits. Currently, $1 is withheld for every $2 earned above the limit. This changes to $1 withheld for every $3 over $64,800. This is a rare piece of good news. For seniors who want or need to keep working, this provides more breathing room. Imagine being able to earn a few $1,000s more without seeing half of it clawed back by the system. For part-time workers, this can be the difference between paying off debt and falling deeper into it. Fifth change: credits, adjustment. Social Security credits adjust. In 2026, to earn one credit, you'll need $1,810 in wages or self-employment income, meaning $7,240 to earn 4 credits in a year. Once you reach 40 credits, extra credits won't raise your benefit since payments are based on lifetime earnings. For young workers just starting out, this may not sound like a big deal, but for older Americans who had years outside the workforce, maybe raising kids, maybe dealing with illness, these higher thresholds make it harder to qualify. Look at this. Even one missing credit can prevent you from qualifying for retirement benefits. That's decades of work erased by a technicality. Sixth change: the trust fund crisis. The Social Security Trust Fund inches closer to insolvency. Analysts and lawmakers warn that by 2033, Social Security may be unable to cover full benefits, leading to potential cuts between 30 and 50%. This could be devastating for millions who rely heavily on these checks. Imagine waking up one morning to find that your $600 monthly check has dropped to $100, or worse, under $900. Rent, groceries, and healthcare costs wouldn't wait, but your income would shrink overnight. This isn't a far-off scare tactic. It's the government's own projection. Without major reform, the trust fund simply won't have the money to pay out what was promised. Watch this closely, because your retirement security depends on it. Let us know in the comments what you think about these changes. And if you value these updates, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel so you never miss the latest information. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care and stay safe.